Hey everyone, Zach here. Hope you have an amazing day. Hey, today I want to talk to you about using funnels to sell your MLM company's products, your physical products that you sell through your network marketing company. I'm going to talk to you about how to use funnels to actually sell these products. Now, this is a question that we get a fair amount. Hey, how do you sell your products through a funnel? Well, first of all, you have to realize this, that when you send people to your company's replicated website, that website usually sucks, right? It can take an order, but that's all it can really do. So if you want to sell products well, you have to do it in person or you have to do it through a funnel. Now, if you're going to do it through a funnel, you have to do two things. The first thing is you have to design a sales funnel well. Number two is you actually have to purchase your company's products most likely, keep them in-house, and then sell them once you actually get a sale. So it's a little convoluted for most MLM companies, but for our purposes, it should be okay, because my guess is you're not trying to sell 5 billion products for your MLM. You're trying to recruit a lot of good business builders. Nevertheless, when you sell a product, it's way better to send people to a really nice, well-done funnel than a company's random website. Make sense? So there's two ways that you can go about this, that at least I go about this, and this is the way I would suggest for you. The first one is thinking about using a free plus shipping funnel. I have a friend that does this exact type of situation. In fact, this is his funnel right here. And this particular funnel is a free plus shipping funnel. Essentially, he's promising someone a thing. It's a lower cost item for us that gives a very instantaneous result. It's a lower cost thing, and he gives them that particular product for free as long as they cover shipping. The shipping is $4.95. Now, the $4.95 covers the shipping of the item plus the item itself. So he is at a net zero cost when he actually ships that particular item. So he ships the item to them, and they receive the item, and they get to try it. And then he follows up with them and sees if they want more. That's a pretty good, smart idea. Now, we use the free plus shipping method for lots of products, and we absolutely love it. It's a very, very good thing to do. Now, the only downside is that you have to fulfill the purchase yourself. You have to put the thing in the box and send it out. Now, if you're doing a lot of volume, you can get a fulfillment house to do this for you. No big deal. That's what we do, and it's very, very, very useful. Well, we do it for different types of products, but it's very, very, very useful because we don't want to touch those products. But that's an option. The second option is actually a little bit more kind of sneaky, if you will, and I like it a lot. The second option has people purchase something first that's not related or that's not your company's product, and then buy your company's product next. So let me give you an example. One of our products here, I'll just pick this up right now. One of our products here is this particular water bottle. This is a filtration water bottle. You can literally, I've used this in really nasty swamps before. I've literally dumped this into swamps and drank out of it. Like, these are sewage swamps, no joke. I have this on video. It's horribly nasty. You can search Purity Water Bottle on my channel if you want. You can watch me do this. So that's one of our products. So a lot of people who like this are kind of in the survival niche, right? They're the outdoors people. So one of the things that I would do is have a funnel that sells something related, but not that. So you ever seen like those like little credit card knives? They're like shaped like a credit card, but if you break them and fold them out, it turns into like a survival knife, or maybe like a tactical pen, right? I would literally sell a really low cost tactical pen or a survival knife or something like that for a very low amount, maybe $3 to $10, maybe even do a free plus shipping thing with it, and sell that. I would lead with that product because people are going to have a much easier time buying a $5 tactical knife than a $120 special water bottle. So I'll lead with the $5 knife, and then once they purchase that, they're going to go to an upsell page, and on the upsell page, I'll present the water bottle. Remember, whenever you're doing an upsell inside of a funnel, the upsell is the next thing into their mind. So the tactical knife to the water bottle might not be a perfect transition, but if someone buys a tactical knife, obviously they're very interested in survival stuff. So if they're interested in survival stuff, what's the next thing that you need? Hey, I've got my knife to carve the spear for the bear. I also need something to drink out of. It's the next thing in their mind. A bad upsell would be another knife. So like, hey, I bought my little survival knife thing. A really bad upsell is to go get a bigger knife. Like, I already fixed the problem. I already have a knife. I don't need the knife. I've already bought a knife. So I bought the knife. I've got my knife. Now I need a water bottle. Okay, boom. Then I sell the water bottle, right? So that would be my upsell. And I would do it on a one-click upsell. So you program it so that you just hit the button once and bang, it charges them $120 and it sends them the water bottle. Now, obviously, All the back end stuff won't be perfect, so most likely I'll have to physically take the water bottle and put it in a box and send it. Or if I do enough volume, I could buy 100 of these and put it in a fulfillment house and have them send it. Either way, it's a heck of a lot easier than contacting warm market people or going on Facebook and trying to find customers. Because check it out, I'm not leading with the water bottle. I'm leading with my survival knife. Here's what's really cool. I can differentiate myself a lot because I'm not one of 10,000 people selling that water bottle. I'm one of one selling my personally branded little survival knife. So I can reach a way bigger audience. And I'll probably have a way easier time selling it because I'm not leading with a $100, $120 water bottle. I'm leading with a very easy to buy little knife. I'm getting people in the buying process. They're starting to trust me. They're tripping down my slippery slope of funnelage. And a higher take rate is going to happen on the water bottle. Does that make sense? So it's kind of flipping the sales process on its head and leading with something totally different, not related to your company, but related to the product, and then selling the product. Make sense? All right, cool. There's a couple ideas for you that you can use to actually sell your company's products through sales funnels, and best of all, with maybe not the first example I give you, but the second one I give you for sure, you can drive cold traffic to that. You can literally run ads to that. I can guarantee you, no matter what company you're in, almost guarantee that you're not allowed to run ads directly to your company's products. But you can run ads to some other random product that you're selling. And then your company's product is in the upsell sequence. You can run ads to that. So anyway, hopefully this made sense to you. If it did, do me a favor, hit the like button. Subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you learned. And secondly, if you want to join the discussion group where we talk about nothing but ideas like this and you can help us brainstorm, go to mlmsalesfunnels.com. You can request to join that group for free. Lastly, if you have not done so yet, I highly recommend you read the Mlm Rebels Blueprint. This is a long-form document teaching you exactly how we do what we do, which is recruit more people in some days and in some weeks than other people, very good recruiters, will recruit all year long. That's mlmrebelsblueprint.com. Go down to that site and read that blueprint if you haven't done so yet. So anyway, hopefully you have an amazing day. Thanks so much for taking this time with us, and we'll see you all very soon.